So here I am parting the axle off, a few inches shorter. There's a remnant. Here I'm grinding the tit off the end. Here's my fixture to center up the steady rest. There it is. I'm center drilling the end now to put the center in it. There you see the steady rest and the center drill. There it is on the grinder with about 8/10 of run out. Good enough. Here I am. I got it in the grinder and I'm dressing the face of the wheel. Giving it a coarse dressing like I usually do to keep it from burning and loading up. Usually go a couple thou at a time. Coolant going, keep the diamond cool. Now I got the radius dresser on for the corner. I'm putting about an 1/8 inch radius on here. I want to get a nice big radius on here. Can't skip this process. About an 1/8 inch. Keeping it diamond cool. Here I am doing the OD grind. About 4 to 5 thou at a time max. There's that beautiful radius in the corner. Getting it within about 2/10 the original size. That beautiful radius. There it is, the size came in. I'm setting up the dividing head and the footstock, lining up the centers. I have a bar to put in between to check it. There's the milling arbor. I got to take those cutters off and put on the gear cutter. A while back I did some splines for a well drilling pump machine. I had used those and I hadn't taken them off. Nice and tight. Got something. Extending the overarm on the mill. Then I'll put the overarm support on to loosen that nut on the end. There's the overarm support. I'm going to put the support on here, centers. And I'll take these cutters off after I support it. This nut's really tight. There's how I center it up. I got the cutter on here. And I pick up the side and I use a gauge pin and I just do the math and set the cutter on, right in the center line. I use a magnetic indicator on the ways because the dial doesn't stay fixed. There it is, set up, ready to go. There I did a test pass about 40 or 50 thou deep. There I went all the way around and I did all 12 splines. There it is before I take it off and clean it up. Lower it down. There I am, the vintage machinist. There's the cutter I used, an involute gear cutter. And there's the arbor I used to grind that cutter. Right there on the monoset grinder. There it is, the finished product. And I'm fitting the axle flange on. All I have to do now is thread the end and that's it. And drill it for the cotter pins. You can ship it off. Thanks for watching.